Welcome to the tutorial for Country Girl. In this video, we're going to be showing you every single step and then how to put those all together. So be patient with yourself and have some fun with this. A key to remember is when you're doing these moves, we're going to be traveling forward and backwards, and then at one point we're going to be turning 90 degrees. When you're going forward and backwards, imagine you're walking a tightrope. So when you're walking forward, when you do that 180, come straight back on the exact same line where you just walked. You don't want to be going all over the place because there could be a lot of people around you, and you have to make sure you keep walking that tightrope back and forth. And the same thing when you do that 90-degree turn that we'll show you, you walk back and forth just like you're on a tightrope there also.
All right, so for that first section of moves, we're going to start by moving forward. You're going to start with a walk on your right leg. So we're going to do a step, step, and then our right leg's going to go back in front and we're going to do a triple step. With a triple step, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3. So you don't actually shift your left foot in front of the right when you're doing a triple step. So we're going to do that. Step, step, right, left, right. Okay? And then after that, you're going to do a rock step. With a rock step, you're going to shift your weight over to your left foot. Right foot's going to step up or lift off the ground and then go back on the ground. Okay? So let's put that first part together. So we're going to do a step, step, triple step, rock, step. We're going to now do a triple step again, starting with our left foot, but with this triple step, we're going to turn 180 degrees over our left shoulder. So when we do that, we're going to start again from the beginning so we can show it all together so you can add that in. So you're going to do a step, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. See how we turned over the left shoulder, did a triple step starting with that left leg. So again, triple step.
From here, we're going to be doing the exact same steps, but now we're going to be starting facing the opposite direction of what we started. So if we can imagine, so we are going, so we have that rock, step, triple step, and now you take your right leg and you start with those walks. So you go walk, walk, and now you have your triple step, right leg in front, triple step. And at this point, now you're going to rock onto your left leg. It comes in front of your right. Transfer your weight to your left, rock, step, transfer your weight back to your right. And now we're going to do that 180 degrees again over our left shoulder to the triple step. Right, so let's show you. So you just got done with your rock step, triple step. Now we're going to be doing our walking with our right, walk, walk, triple step, rock onto your left, rock back onto your right, 180 over your left shoulder into your triple step leading with your left foot. Take that slow. There's a lot of different steps and moves in there, but you'll get it.
Now let's show it all together so they can get that forward and then back.
Perfect. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step.
All right, for that next step, we're going to do what we call a cross ball change. So we're going to be facing back, forward, and we're going to start with our right foot. Our right foot's going to cross in front of the left, and we're going to stomp, shift our weight back to the left, and then right's going to go next to it. So again, that's a cross ball change or a stomp ball change. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left foot. So left foot crosses in front of the right, We're gonna step, right foot comes up, right foot goes back down, and then step side by side again. So it's gonna look a little bit quicker of right ball change, left ball change.
What you need to remember in that move is when you take your right leg and it crosses over your left, make sure that your left leg goes behind your right leg. So if you don't set it up for this, it could be just kind of awkward. So make sure that the left leg goes behind the right there, and then your right leg goes behind your left.
Okay.
All right, so after that's done, so we have right ball change, left ball change, and then we're gonna stomp with our right, left. Very simple. So again, that's right, left. Then we're gonna do a hip roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that however you would like. After that, we're gonna kick out with our right, kick out with our left, and then we're gonna put our toe in front of us, our right toe, and now we're gonna be turning 90 degrees to our right, almost basically making a C with our right foot as we drag across. So that's gonna be, from that beginning part, stomp, stomp, roll, kick, kick, turn to your right 90 degrees. So the counting for that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, once we're facing this side wall, we're going to do 2 more kicks starting with the right foot. So we're going to do kick, kick, and then we're going to do a full 360 degree turn. So you're going to shift your weight over to your left leg. We're going to be turning over our left shoulder. And so that's that kick, kick, and then we're going to turn fully around. So from that ball change back a few steps ago, we're going to do step, ball, change, step, ball, change, stomp, stomp, roll, kick, kick, turn 90, kick, kick, turn 100 or 360.
Over that left shoulder, and then at that point, you restart. Let's go ahead and show them from the beginning, counting it, just so you guys can see. There's a lot of steps, there's a lot of different directions that we're turning, but we're going to show you from the beginning. So we have walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step, walk, walk, triple step, rock, step, triple step, step, ball, change, step, ball, change, stomp, stomp, roll, roll, kick, kick, 90 degrees to the right, kick, kick, 360 degrees to the left, and then you restart. There you have it, the tutorial for Country Girl.